Wonders of Switzerland, Europe's crown jewel. Here's a jaw-dropping fact. Switzerland boasts the highest number of Nobel laureates per capita in the world, which says a lot about its reputation for intellectual, cultural, and engineering excellence. Yet this small alpine nation isn't just brainy, it's breathtaking. From glacier-carved valleys to precision-built cities, Switzerland delivers some of the most iconic and immersive travel experiences on the planet. In this video, we'll explore 10 of Switzerland's most extraordinary wonders, highlighting their unique beauty, the practical reality of visiting, and why each destination deserves a place on your bucket list. Whether you're seeking scenic grandeur, cultural depth, or a perfect mix of both, these Swiss destinations are waiting, and the best times to visit come with tips to make sure your journey is not only memorable but also smooth and authentic. Matterhorn. The Matterhorn soars 4,478 meters into the sky, its jagged pyramid shape defining the Swiss skyline for centuries and drawing alpine dreamers from around the world. Climbing its ridges is an elite challenge. Over 500 climbers have died attempting it, so whether you're a professional alpinist or mountain day tourist, respect for its conditions is critical. For those less inclined to summit, the Gornergrat Railway delivers world-class panoramas of glaciers and spires, all without the risk. But what makes this mountain special is standing at sunrise as clouds part to reveal its silhouette, a moment of pure cinematic goosebump magnificence. Bring layers, sun gear, enough water, and a weather-ready jacket. The Matterhorn rewards both preparation and awe. Jungfraujoch, top of Europe. Riding the century-old Jungfrau Railway up to Jungfraujoch at 3,454 meters feels like entering a high-altitude fairy tale. An ice palace, snowy plateau, and sweeping glacial views all included in one ascent. Yet traveling at this elevation comes with real physiological demands. Headaches, shortness of breath, and fatigue can sneak up if you fly straight in from sea level. Dress in layers, sip water throughout the day, and pace your climbs along gentle glacier paths rather than racing every view. Booking tickets early and riding during off-peak hours offers more room on the train and cleaner air on the tourists, letting you savor every chilly view through unfiltered mountain air. Lake Geneva and Chateau de Chillon. Lake Geneva is Switzerland's water gem. Its shimmering surface flanked by vineyards, Alp peaks, and charming towns like Geneva and Montreux, and anchored by Chateau de Chillon, an island castle straight from medieval lore. Visitor numbers have surged in recent years, threatening the castle's floors and ambience. The best remedy? Travel in shoulder seasons and take the boat rather than a crowded shuttle. Once inside the dungeon-feel halls, explore uneven floors with care and keep your camera ready for golden hour reflections on the water. From winery views and lake cruises to dramatic castle echoes, this region blends natural majesty with centuries of human drama. Lucerne and Mount Pilatus. Lucerne's architecture. Think medieval wooden chapel bridge, mosaic riverbanks, and ornate lakeside promenades. Hint at old-world charm, but its proximity to Mont Pilatus transforms a day trip into an alpine epic. Ride the steep cogwheel railway, famously one of the world's steepest, to the summit where mountain panoramas, dragon's back hiking trails, and crisp high-altitude air await. Weather can whip in seconds at 2,100 meters, so pack wind-proof layers and sturdy boots. Back in Lucerne, the calm lake and quaint pavements let you trade crowd peaks for riverside quiet. It's a perfect day split between serenity and alpine adventure, an equal bit cake of city bliss and summit thrill. Interlaken and Lauterbrunnen Valley. Interlaken's valley squeezes between Lakes Thun and Brienz like a natural amphitheater, is considered Switzerland's adventure capital. Skydiving, paragliding, canyoning, all with alpine peaks as a backdrop. Just beyond lies Lauterbrunnen, the valley of 72 waterfalls, steep cliffs, and postcard charm. But adrenaline comes with responsibility. Book equip-check tours, wear helmets, and don't stray from secured trails. Weather changes fast in mountain valleys. Keep insect repellent handy and drink lots of water. You'll soon see why this blend of water, rock, and sky is what travel dreams are made of, just treated with common sense and safety respect. Zermatt Village. The car-free alpine sanctuary of Zermatt at the base of the Matterhorn feels like living inside a snow globe. Chalets, electric buses, alpine air. Hikers and skiers bask in 360-degree views. But lodging and slopeside restaurant prices reflect that exclusivity. Book stays early. Consider lower-star stays as smart bases, and ride either the Gornergrat or Klein Matterhorn cable cars for iconic vistas. Evenings are best spent sipping hot chocolate beneath starlit peaks. Zermatt doesn't just show off mountains, it wraps you in them, blending alpine romance with practical insight on sustainable high-altitude tourism. Burrell Town. Bern spreads across a peninsula carved by the Aire River, its UNESCO-honored cobblestone streets, sandstone arches, and medieval clock tower, zigzagged, making it Switzerland's heritage crown jewel. The twinned beauty of river floating in summer is balanced by waves and cold. Webcam live cameras help choose safe swimming spots. Fall or spring visits offer cooler temps and smaller crowds for exploring the Bear Park or Rose Garden city views. Stick to arcades for trolley traffic and blend urban strolls with nods to history of fountains and old guild houses. Bern's charm is timeless, and navigating it with care helps preserve this storybook capital. Glacier Express. Between Zermatt and St. Moritz lies the Glacier Express, a panoramic wonder ride across 291 kilometers of tunnels, bridges, and high alpine valleys. Renowned for being the slowest express train, this ride is all about the journey. Glaciers glimmering in sunlight, grassy meadows distracted by chamois, and villages nestled in valleys. But seats fill it fast, especially panorama carriages, so reserve 3 months early. Bring a compact snack and stay alert for scenic highlights. The train may cross 291 bridges, but the mountain tea lights in your view are priceless. This is Switzerland's moving postcard. St. Moritz. St. Moritz represents alpine elegance at its peak, hosting winter sporting elites and summer lake festivals with lavish charm. Think brunch beside frozen lakes or hiking alpine trails wrapped in glacier views. Tourists should note, it's pricey, selective, and busy during events like white turf horse racing. Visiting during shoulder seasons grants more quiet hikes and affordable lodgings with comparable views. Whether skiing, mountain biking, or lakeside dining, this place feels like alpinism with couture. And even for budget travelers, St. Moritz delivers alpine glamour in every direction. If you aim smart, you'll taste luxury without overspending. Swiss National Park Engadin. Switzerland's national park, tucked into Graubünden, is pure wilderness. No dogs, no camping. Just spreading trails through forests, meadows, and cliffside panoramas. Altitude can challenge stamina. Carry trail maps, wear sturdy boots, and respect wildlife zones. Imagine encountering an ibex standing on a rocky ledge or marmots whistling across meadows, a wild Switzerland alive. This conservation-first landscape requires minimal footprints and respectful observation. If your travel aims include quiet paths, alpine biodiversity, and connecting deeply to nature, the Swiss National Park rewards patience with timeless wilderness. We visited legendary peaks, glacier panoramas, medieval streets, serene lakes, and wild wilderness. But Switzerland's true magic lies in its balance of spectacular sights and humble stewardship. Whether you're planning your Swiss adventure or just want inspiration for remote or alpine wonder, these 10 destinations remind us that proper planning, respect for nature and locals, and open curiosity turn travel into transformation. Which spots spoke to your heart? Tell us in the comments. Found this guide helpful? Tap like for good luck on your journey, subscribe for more European adventures, and ring the bell to stay in step with our next travel tales. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time, may your travels be as high as the Alps and as deep as Swiss valleys.